Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So the problem statement is we have to print this problem is like yesterday's problem only. We have to print this series 3, comma 7, comma 11, comma 15, comma. So here the what is the difference is 4. So each and every number which has the difference 4. So the same problem as this problem, but here we are taking the difference is 4. So I hope you understand the equation. So let us write the program. So import java dot util dot star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int n is equal to sc dot next int. So for int, so it is starting from 3, right? So it starts from 3 and it should be ends with n I less than or equal to n. So each time it's increasing 4. So yesterday's program only, but instead of 7, we are using 4 here. Yesterday we have used 7. So here, but here, today's program, we are using 4. So let us print the I value. So I hope you understand this program. So yesterday we have used 7 as difference. In today's program, we are using 4 is difference. Difference means that the difference between these two numbers we are seeing 3 and 7. So what is the difference between 3 and 7? 4, right? After 4, like after adding 3 to 4, we are getting 7, right? So and we are adding 7 to 4, we are getting 11. And after 11, like 11 with 4, like we are adding 11 with 4, we are getting the 15. So that is called difference. So each time it's checking, like each time it is incrementing with 4 I value. So I'm just printing with this statement system.out.println. So let us run this program. So let us comment this thing. So let us run this program again. So we got the program, like there is no errors. So let us give the input 25. See here, so each and every time the difference between each number is 4. So each and every time the difference is 4. And the output is also correct. So I hope you understand this problem. Simple problem. So as it is logic only. So but it's but we are using different difference here. So that's it, friends. I hope if you like this video, please like it and please share to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon and then only you'll get the notifications. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.